Hi, it's Nicole Wilkins with the Everyday Runway. Today I want to show you how to achieve a natural look with just a few products in under 10 minutes. Yesterday I got my first chemical peel, a facial, with Emily Ann Aesthetics, and although it's a mild facial chemical peel, I was instructed not to use my normal makeup brushes when doing my makeup the next few days because it will irritate my skin. So I went out and I got my first beauty blender. I know I'm slow to the game, but apparently this is really easy and it's very mild on your face. It won't cause any more exfoliation that will already happen. So I'm going to today use this beauty blender, put on some mild full coverage foundation, and then we're going to use a cream blush and do my eyes, and I'm not going to do any mascara or contouring like I normally would. Those would require for me a brush. I don't have cream products right now, so we're going to get started. Here we go. I used MAC Studio Fix Fluid SPF 15 shade NW20 for my foundation, Revlon Photo Ready Concealer shade 001 Fair. For my blush, I used Beauty Blender Color Pinch Cream Blusher in shade Hibiscus. And for my eyeliner, I used CoverGirl Perfect Blend Eyeliner shade 130 Smoky Taupe. 4 products in less than 5 minutes using 2 tools, a blender sponge and a dual-headed crease smudge brush for my eyes. You can achieve this look as well, but I'd like to know how you do your makeup on a daily basis, how long it takes, and what kind of look that you're achieving. Please leave it in the comments below, and as always, don't forget to rock your everyday runway.